Why the Su-30 is more dangerous than you think. The Su-30 is a multi-role fighter aircraft developed by Sukhoi Aviation in Russia. It is a derivative of the Su-27 flanker and was first introduced in the early 1990s. That is a formidable aircraft known for its agility, firepower, and advanced avionics. The aircraft's extensive armament includes air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, bombs, and guns, making it versatile for diverse missions. The Su-30 can operate within a network-centric warfare environment, where it can share real-time information with other friendly aircraft and ground stations. The Su-30 is known for its exceptional maneuverability. It can perform complex aerial maneuvers, such as Pugachev's Cobra, which gives it an advantage in close-quarters combat. They have a significant combat radius, allowing it to operate at extended ranges from its base of operations. It can carry a large amount of fuel, enabling it to conduct long-range missions and stay airborne for extended periods. Overall, the Su-30 represents a potent and versatile platform that poses a significant threat in contemporary warfare environments, ensuring it remains a key asset in various air forces worldwide. So,